In facility management, systems are never perfect. Chillers can trip, generators can fail to start, power can go off without warning. These problems are normal, but what really matters is how the situation is handled. Because when systems fail, people start watching. Clients watch, tenants watch, and the team watches closely. That is where the difference between a manager and a leader becomes very clear. Let me explain this using two real situations from the same facility and the same client. The first situation happens during an important client visit. A key HVAC unit suddenly stops. The temperature in the conference room starts increasing. Technicians identify the fault quickly and inform the management team. The manager receives the update and remains inside his cabin. He starts asking questions on the phone. He sends emails. He waits for technical confirmation before speaking to the client. Meanwhile, the client waits without clarity. The meeting gets uncomfortable. People lose focus. Confidence starts dropping. Yes, the HVAC is restored later, but the experience leaves a mark. The issue is fixed, but the relationship takes damage. Now look at the same situation handled by a leader. The leader immediately walks to the client area. He speaks calmly and explains the situation in simple language. He assures temporary arrangements. He shares a realistic restoration timeline. He commits to regular updates. At the same time, he assigns the supervisor to coordinate with the OEM and support the technicians on site. The team works with clarity, not fear. The HVAC is restored smoothly. The meeting continues. The client feels respected and informed. A few days later, another challenge appears. There is a sudden power failure. The diesel generator does not start immediately. Lights go off. Emergency systems activate. Tenants become anxious. The manager reacts defensively. He talks about past performance. He blames the vendor. He focuses on explanations instead of solutions. Power returns, but trust does not. Now observe the leader again. The leader contacts the client first. He accepts responsibility. He explains what happened clearly and outlines the next steps. He asks the supervisor to coordinate with the OEM, check battery health, review control logs, and identify the root cause. A mock power failure test is conducted with the client present. The generator starts instantly. This time, the client is not just relieved, the client is confident. This is the real difference. A manager reacts to problems. A leader takes ownership. A manager restores systems. A leader protects trust. Clients do not expect perfection. They expect transparency, communication, and confidence. Because in facility management, trust is the real KPI. And trust is only built through leadership.